a woman who wants to pursue filing for divorce, but she insists on following the kafir laws of the country. And if she's a Christian or a Jew, we don't have anything to say. This is her religion that she is following, and there is nothing worse than kufr. But if she's a Muslim and she knows the severity of the punishment of following other than Allah's law, then we have a problem. Unfortunately, a lot of the laws in kafir countries, non-Muslim countries, such as the US, Europe, Canada, etc., they give the right for half of the property of the man to his ex-wife. And this is totally prohibited in Islam. Something that I have worked hard to collect, my hard-earned money, and I buy or build a house. Who gives the right for my wife, who is unable to remain as a loyal and obedient wife, who just wants to go for divorce? Especially when this is lucrative business for such a woman who does not believe in Allah and does not believe in Sharia and refuses to make Quran and Sunnah arbitrate between her and her husband in such a dispute. We can't do anything. And this is why some scholars went to the extent that whoever legislates or goes in arbitration to non-Muslim laws because he knows that the Islamic law or the Sharia law is not in his favor, they say that this person is an apostate. He has left the fold of Islam. So unfortunately, there are a lot of such people who claim to be Muslims, and they want a quick gain in this life. What happens after 10, 20 years when they die and they're 6 feet under, or on the day of judgment? They could care less if they believe of the existence of such punishment. But if they don't, you have no other alternative for us but to obey the law of the country. Give her a warning, a reminder, and tell her that you will not forgive her on the day of judgment. And I guarantee you, with the grace of Allah, that every penny she takes unlawfully will burn in her grave when she dies, in addition to what awaits her in hellfire, because consuming the rights of others unlawfully is one of the major sins in Islam. You have to clear your slate before you meet your Maker, the Almighty Azza wa Jal.